arriving through the Duluth Ship Canal is the American Mariner. The American Mariner was built in 1980 by the Bay Shipbuilding Company of Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. She measures 730 feet in length, 78 feet in width, and 45 feet in depth. She is powered by two 3,500 horsepower 20-cylinder General Motors diesel engines, which give her a top speed of 13 knots, or about 15 miles per hour. She is also equipped with 1,000 horsepower bow and stern thrusters to aid her maneuverability in port. The American Mariner has 24 hatches on her deck, which open into 7 cargo holds located below deck. Each hatch covering measures 44 feet by 11 feet. She has a maximum carrying capacity of 37,300 tons. Above her deck is a 250-foot self-unloading boom, which allows her to unload her own cargo at a rate of 6,000 tons per hour without the aid of shoreside equipment. The American Mariner is currently owned by the American Steamship Company of Williamsville, New York, and she's operated under charter by Grand River Navigation of Traverse City, Michigan. Once again, we are seeing the American Mariner making its way into the Duluth Ship Canal. If you happen to see any crew members on deck, make sure to give them a warm welcome to the Twin Ports here. The American Mariner was the 9th of 10 vessels built for the American Steamship Company under the Merchant Marine Act of 1970. This act allowed U.S. fleets to modernize their fleets with government financing. She transports many different cargoes across the Great Lakes, from iron ore to coal, grain, and limestone. In recent years, she is regularly loaded with grain here in Duluth Superior for Buffalo, New York. With American Steamship being placed under new ownership in 2020, Rand Logistics, the Mariner was chartered to Rand's Grand River Navigation Company for 5 years, starting with the 2021 shipping season. And what you folks heard there was a captain's salute or standard salute, communication between the American Mariner and the Duluth Aerial Lift Bridge. Once again, folks, the American Mariner, built in 1980 by the Bay Shipbuilding Company of Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin, coming in for a load of grain near the end of our shipping season.